Have a go at something. Slime might spell target. Nowhere near. Nope. Let's have a go at Hairy Arms' spinner. Nope. Oh, there we go. It's Slimite's bell. Shame I wasn't aiming at it. Let's go to the other bell. Nope. Oh, they're making a noise. Not got a clue where they're going. Hairy Arms' spinners. I'm thinking that went rather high. Very high. Oh, that was good. Managed to knock the notice off the board. Managed to hit something. Ooh, caught his spinner. Still trying Slimite's spell target. Go. Got it, mate. Got the bell target. It fell off. Can't beat that one. Let's have another go at something else. Oh dear. Bit of fun this is, isn't it? Can't hit a ruddy thing. Boy, yeah. That was a bit of a thrashing of the shelf, wasn't it? Even knocked a couple of Hairy Arms' knockdowns off there. I wasn't even aiming at them. But at the moment, it's all a bit of a fun, all a bit of a learning curve. Let's try this way on again. Hairy Arms spinner. Same again. More of the shelf. Let's have a go at one of the targets on the shelf then, instead. Bit too high. Boy, yeah. How to demolish your shooting bench. This is not going very well, is it? Oh dear. Oh, what was that one that just got? Another one that fell off. Oh heck. Who else will produce a video like this? Oh come on, get that Slimite belt or the Hairy Arms spinner. Nothing. I bet the neighbours are looking at me thinking, what the bloody hell's he doing over there? Not very good, is he? Just keep shooting. Ah, there you go. There's Mike's bell. And a very good bell at that. There we go. Got it that time. Now this is going to be absolutely incredible if I get this. I'm going for the spinner on the right hand side of the target. Not far off though. For want of a better phrase, I'm losing my balls here. determined to get that spinner. Oh, that one. So close. I think I ought to get Mrs. Tin Can trying this. She's pretty good at whatever she does. That spinner again. Ooh, caught it. I might spill. Oh! Caught the top of it. I think I need a bit of practice at this catapult malarkey. So I might spill. Nowhere near it. That landed down there. Last shot. Last shot at Hairy Arms' spinner. No, didn't get it, but thanks for watching anyway.